Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. In this video, I'm going to take you through how to block devices like mobile devices, tablets, PCs, unauthorized PCs from connecting to your local area network or your corporate networks using the Microsoft DHCP server on a Windows Server operating system. So some companies operate a strict policy of not allowing mobile devices to connect to their corporate networks or their local area networks. So they use such tools to restrict such access to their networks. So I'm going to use the DHCP server to demonstrate this. So you want to make sure that the DHCP server service is already installed. If not installed, you can install it from the server manager. So once installed, you want to click on the search icon and then type DHCP in the search box. When the DHCP server icon appears, you want to click on it to open it. So that is one way to open the DHCP server window. You can also click the start, select Windows administrative tools to open the administrative tools window, and then in the list you want to double click the DHCP server to open the window. So that is another way you can open it. You can also open it using the server manager window. So when the DHCP server window is open, you want to expand the server, expand IPv4, expand the scope, and then go ahead and then expand the filters folder. And in the filters folder, you will see allow and deny. So right click on the deny folder and then select enable. That would activate the deny filter folder, and then the red arrow on top of it would disappear. So on the right are a list of mobile devices that we've already blocked from connecting to this particular corporate network. So the next thing is to select the address leases under scope to see all the devices, a list of the devices that are connected to this particular corporate network. So you can see we have some mobile devices in the list, and the company has tasked us to make sure that we remove all of these, we block and then remove all of these devices from connecting to the network. So right click on a device you want to block and then mouse over add to filter and then select the deny option. Right click on the same device again and then select the delete option. You're going to be asked if you want to delete this item. Click the yes to delete the device from the list. So go ahead and then do the same for the rest of the devices as shown in the video. DHCP server has lease expiration dates. So when you add the device to the deny filter and then you don't delete them from the address leases field, the devices will continue to connect to the network until the lease expiration date arrives. So in the deny filter, you can see the devices we just blocked and removed from the address leases field. So when you block and delete them, they are sent to the deny filter folder, and then once they are in the deny filter folder, it means that they can never connect to the network. That hence the name deny. So they will be denied from connecting to the network, to the corporate network. But if you don't delete it from the address leases after adding it to the deny filter, the devices will continue to connect to the corporate network until the lease expiration date arrives. So yes guys, kindly click on the subscribe button down this video to support us to bring you more of such videos and to grow this community together. Click the like button if this was helpful, share the video, turn on notifications for all to be the first to watch our videos whenever we release them, and then I will see you guys in another video. Bye for now.